What's up guys, hope you are doing well there and welcome to the channel Seek Show. I hope you are following my A to Z QGIS tutorial series. If not, please click the card shown in the top right corner and start from the lesson 1. So today I am going to discuss about the digital elevation models or DEM files in QGIS. Let's get started. But before that, if you are interested in learning QGIS, remote sensing and Arcgis and other educational stuff, hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell icon so you will not miss anything. Digital elevation model or DEM file is considered as a raster file, but it really contains points at regular intervals. Most importantly, they have elevations at each of those points. Let's add digital elevation models or files to our QGIS project. So in the browser panel, I am going to navigate for my rasters and digital elevations. So I am going to drag and drop and I am going to add the other one. As you can see, these are the digital elevation models. So we have two digital elevation model files listed, and basically what happened is it's color coding each of the elevations based on a random color from 0 to 465 and 0 to 213. So what we are going to do is we are going to actually blend these two. So let's style them. First of all, you have to do right click and go to properties. In the symbology, here I'm going to reduce it into nearly 313. Hit apply and OK. I will do the same thing for the other. Go to properties. In the symbology section, I'm going to reduce or maximize into 313 and hit apply and OK. So what that's doing is basically capping the upper style from 0 being black to 313 being the highest in terms of elevation, and that's in meters. So that's almost 1000 feet in this example. So that's what we are seeing here. Black is mostly water. So let's flip it around. What you have to do is right click again and go to properties. In the symbology section, you can see the gradient. You have to select white to black, hit apply and OK. You can see the change here. Again, I am doing the same thing for the other digital elevation model. Right click and go to properties, go to symbology and change the color gradient from black to white to black. Hit apply and OK. So that water is just white background and the high points are a little darker. Now we can see both seamlessly. They have get the same kind of color ranges. You can see these really faint island out here. If I zoomed in, you can see the islands, and that's the body of water, and this is the island. Here you can see the rivers coming in. They really stand out in this digital elevation model image. So these digital elevation model images come from all sorts of places. Often when you have air photography, a digital elevation model or LiDAR is also cast at the same time. So you can get elevations at each point and you can generate a DEM file. That's what these are, digital elevation model files. Or they can generate LAS files or LiDAR, and you can create digital elevation models from them. If you want to learn more about digital elevation models, LiDAR and LAS files, please check the description section. I have provided the links in my other tutorials, and then you can bring them into a product like this. Or some products can actually generate digital elevation model files from ortho imagery. So you don't even need LiDAR. You can get really high accuracy digital elevation model imagery which rendered from a 3D image. So send your drone out, take multiple pictures. You can process it and actually get 3D digital elevation models from that. So there are multiple ways of getting these digital elevation models. Then These digital elevation model files gives us a lot of context and give you an idea of elevations and how high things are. And again, the dark parts are where the high elevations are and so on. Finally, we could use these raster images, digital elevation models for analysis, visualizations, and we have a 2D map here. But here we are looking at 3D data in a two-dimensional way. It's really powerful way of seeing three dimensions in 2D. So that is the end of the today's tutorial. The next tutorial will be based on creating contour lines from digital elevation models. If you learned something new from this video, hit a like for me and share this with your friends. And if you want to see more educational stuff like this, hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell icon for the future updates. I will be back with the next tutorial soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.